Hi, this video is going to show you what to add to your early morning water. For those of you that have been asking me questions about water, why do we need to drink water first thing in the morning? And since water is odorless, colorless, and tasteless, how can I make it interesting and something to look forward to as soon as I hop out of bed? If you are interested in this topic, then this video is for you. Hey, my name is Ngo, and I am passionate about helping you look your best no matter your age. Water makes up about 60% of the human body. The blood is made up of mainly water. Our brain is made up of mainly water. The cells, for digestion, for circulation, for joints, lubrication, for cognitive function, water plays a huge role in our daily lives. There's a saying that you can go off food for a certain length of time, but you cannot go off water the same length of time you can go off food, which goes to tell you that water is life. First of all, let me let you know that when you drink water, especially hot or warm water first thing in the morning, you are sending a signals to your digestive system that, hey, there's work to be done. You're waking up your system. And what better way of doing this than to add ingredients that would boost your metabolism, that would be anti-inflammatory, and that would help set the tone for your day. Now, let's jump into it. When you wake up in the morning, your body has been at rest for some hours. The first thing to do to boost and kickstart your metabolism is to start with a cup of hot water. But this hot water shouldn't be boring. If not, you wouldn't look forward to it. This is what I do every morning I wake up. I put in hot water in a cup. This is a mixture of turmeric, all blended. It has some other spices I can't even remember. I made this and I put it in a jar, a glass jar, where I scoop from. You can buy blended turmeric, blended ginger, and some other spices. Turmeric is anti-inflammatory. Ginger, the same. Then cinnamon helps regulate your blood sugar levels. And when you mix all this together, what do you think you will get? Something fantastic. If you're starting out, I recommend you take it little by little. Apart from turmeric being good for inside, it is good for your skin. Some people make masks, rubs with turmeric powder, and apply on their face. And when you do it, you'll come back to thank me for it. Let me know in the comments if you try these things and how it worked for you. This is fiber. I am not going to mention the company that owns this fiber, but if you need it, let me know in the comments and I will send it to you. Fiber helps you do number 2 when you enter the bathroom. Some people add lemons, and if you are on the go and in a hurry to leave the house, you may not have time to slice your lemons. I freeze my lemons and I squeeze them in. This is what it generally looks like. Even if you don't have fiber, turmeric, ginger, and cinnamon are perfect on their own to kickstart your day. Because you need lots of water, we'll top it up. This is what it looks like. And what does it taste like? Depending on your taste buds. Some people like ginger, some people don't. I like all of them. Maybe you've been preparing your sauces, your curries, maybe you've been boiling meat with these spices. Why do you use them? The same reason you drink them. Ginger boosts your metabolism. Ginger is spicy, and when you eat anything spicy, your body jumps up. and it starts getting ready for digesting your food for the day. Imagine taking this cup every single morning, and if you want to take it to the next level, every single evening. Your body stops being inflamed. Your body becomes better at digesting your food. Your body naturally regulates blood sugar levels. I hope this makes sense. There are other things you can add to your water to make it less boring. If you have your tips, what you've been putting in your water, please leave it in the comments for me. I would like to try out your own recipe, and if you want to try mine, please go ahead, and after a week, tell me what your blood sugar levels have dropped to. Tell me the other changes you have noticed in your body. This way, let's live healthier, happier, and longer. And your skin also would be evidence that you are doing the right thing on the inside. All the best. I hope this video is of value to you. And if you know anybody that needs to lower their blood sugar levels, stop anti-inflammation, leaky guts, and so many other health challenges we face as we grow older, please share this video with them and ask them to try it. If you are not physically active, then this is a must for you, so that the jumping you should have been doing, the spices will be doing the jumping in your tummy. All the best. Remember to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. And thank you, my online friends, for always being there for me. God bless you. Real good.